I'm now going to upgrade the OS X of iMac G3 i7 to OS X Yosemite beta. Go to apple.com, then Mac. Here is the link of OS X Yosemite beta. I will join the OS X beta program. Click Learn More. And then sign up. Get OS X Yosemite beta redemption code. There is requirement for the installation. First of all, the Mac should be running OS X Mavericks 10.9 or later, and the computer should have 2 GB of memory and 8 GB available disk space. Then here, I've read the above and understand the limitation of using the beta software. Download. Now click Launchpad and you will see the OS is being downloaded. To set up the installation of OS X 10.10, click Continued. The terms agree, and click Install. And then restart. Now the installation is completed. Now the installation is completed. We'll go over some of the features of this Mac OS X Yosemite. Let's check the upper left hand corner of the Apple logo. About this Mac, the system preferences, App Store, recent item, and so on. Finder, Files, Edit, View, Go, Windows, and Help. This is the Finder icon, the Launchpad, Mission Control, Safari.
You know, it's driven Apple from the beginning, this compulsion to take incredibly powerful technology and make it. You see an organization of apps that, while new, is somehow familiar. Navigation is fluid and vital.
And then this is the mail. Contacts. Calendar. Day, week, month, year. And reminder. Notes. Maps. Don't allow. Cancel. And when I click the mission control, I can have a choice of several apps or several applications. This is the messages. FaceTime, photo booth, iTunes, iBooks. Notebooks in my iBooks library. Go to iBook store, and this is a iBook store here. App stores. For the apps. And feedback assistant for this beta. What's this? OS X beta. And system preferences. In my opinion, this is a very obvious change. Is the layout of the OS X Yosemite has changed to the way the iOS 7 or 8. The outlook more or less similar to the iOS 7 and 8. And this is the tracks and mission control. And quit. And shut down the computer. That's all for our installation of Mac OS X Yosemite today, and a brief introduction.